Good morning, everybody, and welcome to a new video about English, specific about grammar. So today I want to teach you a simple grammar tense, simple grammar part for beginner, and also a review for intermediate people. So let's dive into the lesson, and here we are. This is the future simple. Okay, let's see together what this tense is about and which are some differences and some useful tips to improve your English grammar. So let's start. The future simple. The future in English is formed in different ways depending on the situation or the sentence. For example, we have three different future in the simple tense, and all the three ways are different situations or explain different thoughts. For example, future simple is formed with subject plus shall or will plus infinite without to. Second, present continuous, the ing form. Third, to be going to plus the verb. So let's see in example. Future simple. We use the future simple when we want to express an action that is not sure will happen. For example, some examples. I'm sure you will pass your exam. Okay, this is an opinion because I'm not really sure if you have studied well or not. Okay, so it's like a wish. I wish you to pass the exam, but I'm not sure. And even you, if you go to do an exam, you can say I've studied a lot, but it's not sure to at 100% that you will pass. So we use this form, subject plus will, and infinitive without to, because there is not to pass, it's just the simple present. So I'm sure you will, this is the contract form, you will pass your exam. Second, he'll or he will come back tomorrow. I'm not sure again if he'll come back tomorrow because he could have to do something else. So we didn't agree for an appointment. So I'm not sure. The second, with the present continuous, expresses a future action very close, used above all with the adverbs of motion. Examples: I'm coming in 5 minutes, or they are leaving tonight. So coming and leaving are verbs that show a motion. Motion, it means I go from here to there. I've moved myself or I move something, okay? And the third is to be going to plus verb. We use this form when we have decided what will happen in the near future. So it's the verb of the sure decisions and also the verb that we can use with transportation. For example, the train is going to leave because there is a schedule, okay, a time schedule, okay. Let's see the examples. I'm going to spend my holidays in Spain. I'm sure that next month I want to, so I'm going to buy, or I've already bought the tickets to go in Spain, so I'm sure. So I'm going to spend my holidays in Spain. Or a question, what are you going to do if he doesn't come? Have you decided, have you planned what to do if a situation is not going as you thought? Okay, you get was the negative form adding not after the auxiliary verb. Examples, you will not pass. We can contract the will not form and it becomes or you won't pass. Okay, it's very similar the verb to want. I want something, but you know that is the contraction form or will not because from the context, okay? So from the situation, from the sentence. Or another example, I'm not coming. The present continues. I'm not going to the third situation. The interrogative form, you will see her next month. We put the verb in the front. So, will you see her next month? Note, this is important. In other situation, in English, we never use the future tense will in time clauses introduced by phrases like when, after, as soon as, before, etc. So, for example, or in the main clause, we use the future will or a command. When I die, everyone will cry. Okay. This is a very strong sentence, so you can remember longer. Let's see other example. Time, word plus present, future or command. So in the first sentence, after I pass the exam, future, my parents will be happy. Again, as soon we use this, as soon as I pass the exam, command, celebrate with me all night. So it's not really a suggestion, is I want you to celebrate with me. So it's very, okay. So we use will, we use a command or a future command when there are these phrases that start with when, after, as soon as, before. And let's see other form in the future simple. There is a positive form. Example, I will work all day. Negative form, I will not work or I won't work on Sunday. And the interrogative form is, will you work tomorrow morning? Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Leave a thumb up and I'm going to do more other videos about English grammar for beginner and low intermediate. So subscribe also to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.